Hello. So, what is identity and access management, IAM, in AWS? So, it's just a web service, as you can see in the documentation. It's just a web service for securely controlling access to AWS resources. You can manage the users, you can manage a lot of things, right, with IAM, right, by granting permissions. So let me just come to my AWS account and just search for IAM. And so these I already created some groups, right? So I have these are the three different user groups, right? These are like teams. So this is the DBA, database administration team. So now I'm going to click on this and then I'll show you the permission that I assigned this team. This is the permission. So now I give them permission to only access the DynamoDB, right? The database, and also permission for the users to change their password, right? So they can't now let's go back to the user. For example, these users, they can't, for example, they can't create a virtual machine. They can't access the maybe the cost, usage, and all that because I did not give them that permission. And it actually makes sense because, for example, somebody that is new to a team, maybe a junior, you know, an entry level cloud engineer that does not have a lot of, is still coming up, right? So that that person does not have access to critical resources and maybe by mistake delete the resource. So it's better to either not give them access, like for example, the DBA, they don't have access to the virtual machine. They can't even create or delete any virtual machine, right? So in another video, I actually made a video where this particular user, Kenny Brown, could not um, access the um, could not access the a other resources, right? So that's just basically it about um AWS IAM. Thank you.